Stock Watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and yes, it's Monday, May 14th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, a day after only 4 out of 147 S&P industry groups attracted buyers, stocks bounced back in impressive fashion Friday as virtually every industry group caught a bid. A sense that Thursday's sizable sell-off was overdone provided the initial source of market support. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq were down 1.4% on average yesterday, but recouped much of those losses today. With the market's focus shifting away from earnings and back to economic data, today's batch of reports fueling hope that a rate cut might come sooner than expected, rather than later, also helped the bulls dust themselves off after getting knocked down a day earlier. Before the bell, the Labor Department showed that producer prices eased in April. The closely watched core rate was unchanged again, pushing the year-to-year rate to 1.5% and providing evidence that inflation appears to be trending lower. That news was especially good given the Fed's recent reiteration that inflation remains its predominant concern. At first glance, an unexpected decline of 0.2% in April retail sales and a flat read on sales ex-autos echoed concerns about the health of the consumer. However, when combined with the tame inflation read, weak retail sales underscoring further signs of a moderating economy, also welcome news for the Fed, left investors buying into the idea that policymakers may have more breathing room to ease rather than tighten. Bond traders, in contrast, did not subscribe to that notion, as evidenced by selling across the yield curve. Nonetheless, the underlying bullish momentum behind the 7-week rally in equities was too much for sellers to have their voice heard in back-to-back sessions. All 10 economic sectors finished higher, paced by an energy sector that erased all of yesterday's 2% drubbing without a significant help from oil prices. The more heavily weighted technology sector, also making Thursday's thumping a memory, painted an even more convincing recovery effort on the part of buyers. And now for our small cap news, brought to you today by Viaspace Incorporated. Viaspace Incorporated develops space and defense technologies from NASA and the Department of Defense into hardware and software products in the United States. Maserati Luxury Alloy Wheels Incorporated has been generating news as well as exposure. The company has been showing off its specialty alloy wheels at trade shows and special automotive events. The company will be featured in the May issue of Rides magazine in a full-page color display. The company also announced this month that it has secured a $1 million line of credit from East West Bank to accelerate its 2007 growth strategies. Maserati designs, markets, and distributes high-quality custom alloy wheels for passenger cars, sport utility vehicles, vans, and light trucks. Maserati has achieved an average annual revenue growth rate of 102% for the past 3 years. Motovox Incorporated announced this week that Motovox's Chief Technical Officer Nathan Bradley will be interviewed by Dana Cooper, host of Inside AZ Business. The show will air on Sunday, May 13th, 2007 at 9 a.m. Pacific. The discussion will include the company's latest developments both on the local Arizona business scene and technical advancements via the internet. The company also announced the launch of its new website for the recently acquired World Talk Radio operation in San Diego. World Talk Radio is amongst the most visited internet talk radio destinations on the web. Motovox is a pioneer in internet broadcasting, producing, and syndicating online audio and video, offering innovative, effective, and comprehensive online tools for reaching targeted niche communities worldwide. Motovox provides managed access for live and on-demand internet radio broadcasting, e-learning, and rich media advertising. And that's it for our newsmakers today. It's a short Monday. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. And make sure to watch for that Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Cathy Rankin. Have a great day, and we'll see you again tomorrow on the Daily Report.
You've got it.